Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use this LED flashlight as a LED notifications in any iPhone. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down and you need to select this accessibility. Now under the accessibility, just scroll down and you can see here audio and visuals. Just tap on it. Now after selecting these options, just scroll down and you can see here LED flash for alerts. Just turn it on. Now after turning on, you can see one more options below here as a flash on silent. That means when you enable this, the LED flash will act as a LED notifications whenever it gets a call or any message or any kind of notifications. But if you don't turn this on, then the LED flash will act as a LED notifications only when your ringtone is enabled. That is when your phone is not in the silent mode. So we'll try this option first without turning this on. So we'll go back to the home screen. I'll just lock this phone and I'll just try to call using my other phone, and we'll check whether the LED flash is showing up or not. So let me call my number. So finally you can see, so it's ringing and you can see the flash itself. So you can see the flash is blinking up. As you can see right now, it's blinking up and I got a missed call. So this LED flash can be used as a LED notifications in any of your iPhone. So in this way you can use your LED notifications, that is the LED flashlight, as a LED notifications. So try these cool tricks and use your LED notifications by using this LED flash. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.